Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I have a BTArtbox nail haul. They let me pick out a few items for this month's haul, so I'm just going to jump right in and show everything that I got. Starting off strong with their soft gel press-ons. This set is a yellow nail and toe set. They are actually sold separately, so you don't have to do both. You can do just the nails or just the toes, but y'all know that I love a matching set, so I was so excited when I saw that they came out with a few different pastel options. This one has the nails in the short oval shape, and I love that their press-ons come with everything that you'll need to prep and apply your nails, as well as this little size guide so that you can size out all of your nails before you apply them. But this is what it looks like up against my finger, and I'm so excited for this set. Can't wait to wear it. But I did want to do a different design for today's video, so I won't be showing it fully in today's video. But these are the press-on toes to match, so it also has the little toe size guide, and then I'm just going to hold it up to my big toe just to kind of see what it looks like. So excuse how crusty my foot looks, but this is what it looks like. And then I also grabbed this soft gel press-on set as well. I thought this was super cute. This is from a newer collection, and it has like a water effect and then a 3D flower on top of it, and it's just so perfect for the summer. And then the last thing that I got are some X-coat nails. And these are the brighter pastel cat eye nails. So they have the cat eye effect on top, and it comes in 5 different pastel shade French tips. So I absolutely love these. I was so excited to see that they included this pastel yellow color, because I feel like we've been begging for a French tip yellow for so long. So excited that they included that in this set. And this is what all 5 colors look like. I am going to hold each one up to my thumb, that way you can kind of see what it looks like up against my skin tone. But yeah, love these. The blue and the yellow are probably my favorite though. And if you watched my previous month's BTArtbox nail haul, then you know that I got the matching toes last month. So this is what the toes look like in all 5 of the same French tip colors. But for this video, I decided I wanted to do my nails with the yellow. So this is what they look like next to each other. Super cute. Love a matching set. So I'm going to jump right in and start doing the nails. I'm going to be using what I find to be the easiest method to do your BTArtbox nails at home, and that's to just turn them into some press-ons. Go ahead and size them out, put them on your nail stand, top coat them. You can go in with the builder gel as well if you want to kind of seal in that French tip and give it a little bit more structure, but it really doesn't need it. They hold up really well just with the top coat alone. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to quickly size out all of my nails and go over them with some top coat and then apply them. So anytime I'm doing my nails and toes, I always like to go in and do my toes first. So I went ahead and top coated the nails, popped those in the lamp, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply my toenails. It's just easier to work with those tiny little toenail tips when your fingernails are bare. So I'm starting off by prepping my toes with some rubbing alcohol that kind of serves as dehydrator and just wipes off any oils from the nails. And then I'm going to go in with the small little buffer block, and I'm going to use that to file my toenails. I don't want to be too rough with it, so I'm just going to use the buffer block. But yeah, I do have the tendency to just pop off or rip off my press-on, so that's why my toenails look a little rough, so don't judge me for that, okay? But this is the method that I use. You can definitely soak off the BTArtbox nails though, so I do recommend doing that than me just popping them off. But yeah, I'm going to go in and file them a little bit with the buffer, and then I'm ready to apply them. So I'm just going to work on sizing out those toenail tips, and I'm just using some regular brush on nail glue and tube nail glue, like air dry glue, to apply them. But you can definitely do the Gel X method if you want to. Now that they're all applied, I'm going in and removing the little tabs from the tips of the toenails, and then just taking my nail file, I'm just going to lightly file the tips of the toes. They're not super long for me. I have pretty long toenails, so these are like perfect, but you can definitely go in and shape them up a little bit more if you need to. But they have so many different size options that you really shouldn't have to do too much shaping. So I just go in and lightly file. Mainly I'm trying to remove that little tab that's still at the tip of most of the toes, and then for the big toe I just like to file it a little bit just to make sure it has that nice square shape. But once I have them all filed, I'm just going to go in with some top coat to finish them off. So I finished applying my toenails, and now I'm going to really quickly apply the press-on nails. So earlier in the video we went ahead and top coated them. I took them off of the nail stand, and now I'm just prepping my natural nails for application. So I like to start off by pushing back my cuticles. I just use these little tweezers to do it, but you can use whatever you have. Push back my cuticles a little bit, and then I am going to go in and wipe my nails off with some rubbing alcohol, and then using a little small buffer block, I go in and buff the shine off of my natural nails as well, and then just use some brush on glue and tube glue to apply the nails. Once I finished applying the nails, I went in with some cuticle oil and that finished off the set. So this was the finished product. Super cute. I will have everything for my BTArtbox haul linked in the description box, along with my coupon code for them if you're interested in getting some money off when shopping on their site. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.